Saa yankokɔ nketenkete policy no saa amfa Mahama ene atofo se yankonsa wo mu a na kyese mra nya adwuma wo
abuza from mu nyina makɔ aba e de ba Ghana Nsem TV so but omo de so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no what turn on notifications say be next time videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so akere wa the comment section ho na be hu bia from Mr President Amejo so TikTok o comment section ho ba bia be hu bia from Mr President Amejo so ko yin na edwum me say that bia no e betim the new patriotic party aba power na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we die e dey need to Sudan say man we need that bia na de bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no so wa mo ni anda ho a ho be kire pa the moment I be hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility. I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra, momi enko. Yenko ko video bi mra. Na video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary guy, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Women commerce here.
saa yankokɔ nketenkete policy no saa amfa Mahama ene atofo se yankonsa wo mu a na kyese mra nya adwuma wo Ghana modi a kyese nsɛmhunu saa sikadie ni sikawianti policies a nyansa nim policies a ento asum ana Ghana for taxes mode ye ne ehu hia sese mudi sika ye no mo mfa anya sese no de munya ho ewia sika ni nti nsɛmhunu saa na ya tam Ghana sika 290 million ne de akwakoto part yes ye chicha ma school for ne atam Ghana sika million bebre yes ye de akwakoto nkokɔ kyese chimie saa NDC for we ehu na teacher for akira de 1.5 years ye ntua mo ka yesiska ni honom nurse for aye adwuma 1.5 years yesiska ni ho ye ntua mo ka na teacher for awie school 2 years yes ye inform adwuma m fiseska ni honom na the whole of 2025 and even half of this year yemfa nurse ni bi adwuma yemfa midwife ni bi adwuma yemfa any doctor adwuma ewo aban adwuma because yesika ni honom but nkwasiafo we anya sika omanya sika de akwakoto nkokɔ nketenkete ya cheche nkokɔ no nso a obi ani ho a watimi arezi akokɔ ba akompo sei amananyi a wanya so mfaso say 2029 see Angeli Mahama any atofo sen any omo keka ho omo implemented this useless policy omo de bo Ghana kro no na kyese emra nya adwuma wo Ghana. I'm telling you,
time to laugh no because it's backing the sentiments of majority of the people. The ote helicopter mo. Now, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, who has been a former vice president before, at the very least, according to them, per the Minister of Interior, saying say being sida. Social media.
But you are talking about two different things.
If you are coming to speak on this very matter,
you are telling me
it is important.
Please,
it is not just your personal opinion that you champion here.
Me, sir. This one I will not take it.
You take it, please.
You said the social media
in this instance
is against it. And I'm saying, social media. You manage. No, but you were asking me, sir. Listen.
Oh, the Bible verse.
You were asking me, sir. You are asking me, sir.
And then the mischief, no, and I make you.
And then mischief.
Let me.
So, what you say, me say, me who ya na? And I'm saying, me ko social media.
She's praying you a very good office for protection.
No, please, I beg you. What I am saying is,
I will repeat.
You are not entitled to protection.
No, let me finish.
Yes,
that's my thing.
Because we have just 4 minutes to land.
See, I think on today's show you have failed to protect me.
Okay,
and to some
so
extent,
it's allowed. Because
since 1962, and I'm saying this because 50 years as far as Greater Accra is concerned, a bededi. 1972 coup. Thwarted and I say a tremu say initiative. 50 years later, the same MPP control program that's MPP, which comes, what is this? People have died. We are being serious here. 50 years later, a party that came out of the Progress Party, Ako World Bank, a source funding, which when your interest are kwakutia, a rolling out program. Sebi, ye no, muse mo ye reset, maba. Aturenchem kesiye seyesi. Oman pain se mimbe si form in share victims. Metina shemu na mashom. That the next day, no, they no ye announce 20-year plan. This is an antique. Is he new to the presidency?
Okay.
He was here between 2012 and 2016. He has lost touch, and I'm saying so because all staff our Hano, she's indicated saying he's.
What do you want for? One farm assembly, one farm sanitation bill. Anya wa, sa sanitation for this sika. Ya kwa jilo na breast sanitation for one farm yeshi. Na uba jefi sanitation for. Na woje ye no. Anya wa, sako shenu, sako shit ta. You show tensiona baby shit. Hey, who ya deal? Unkwa who buy a jashishi. Hey, Mr. Pat, unya buy professor intro. Hey, so what's a Pat? Saka wide. What is a Pat na nebe ye bibiamo? Into
about 15 minutes, you can even waste as much as 1.5 hours. So we are just pleading. They should just come to our aid, make it a little more trouble so that it will be. I'm a teacher and I'm still here. My learners are in school waiting for the teacher, and the teacher is still here. So we are just pleading. They should just come and fix it for us. We beg them.
How long have you been waiting?
Oh, I got here for almost 4 hours. Yeah, if I'm not, yeah, 4 hours. Because I got here before 6 o'clock, and we are still here. It's 9 something, so it's more than almost 3-4 hours we've been here.
And so these are the more residents who are gathered here, sharing their flight here. I understand your frustration, but let me engage some of the organizers of this particular demonstration. Now we understand you've blocked the road for close to 3 hours. She says she's a teacher. She's not able to go to school. So how long are you going to continue this?
More than 4 hours. More than 4 hours. Me wife in him. Otobama Bunina na Aqua. Whoever Catastina or Lucas or Lucas Saga. This is a density. Uka Kobape, Ushosina Bubu, and Tuanu, Omoya Maya, and Yada, baby.
That flight here. I understand your frustration, but let me engage some of the organizers of this particular demonstration. Now we understand you've blocked the road for close to 3 hours. She says she's a teacher. She's not able to go to school. So how long are you going to continue this?
More than 4 hours. More than 4 hours. Me wife in him. Otobama Bunina na Aqua. Whoever Catastina or Lucas or Lucas Saga. This is a density. Uka Kobape, Ushosina Bubu, and Tuanu, Omoya Maya, and Yada, baby. Fisa Omaya Bibi, said this thing by Yan Imagine no for 4 hours in here. Me free fear and pass is 30. A quack I think 9 or 10. And then a quaba copa, a driver for Namso every day. Over quiet away, so I was so do a massamai. I was over 30 minutes. Uber do a massamai 2 hours 30 minutes. Then I am and Okratisa, a quite a camucho from my now double for yes, young Quajuma. Negative come away, I didn't yama. Nam taxes are Homuti and Musumusani, the Amubajina Mudi and Muda Scandia Mudi, Yenim, Munia Quanamaya. Say insurance, double for your insurance, your license. A account, road account, Sikabia, Wamuti, whatever for still a coin. And any almost Yabemo my way. Baby, I be was here 5 city, I bet 20 cities. And also, the police in this side, no accident driver, no do. Or Chiano Pepper will be a Juma, which you bet my catcher was a Ebia, Mammy Scamato, Ebia, battery. The government, you know, Ebia battery, no, and I said, let's know who are you, government to me, Mamma, and to be a driver for your young father, and your Quano, your demonstration, a bino, and one man, one may acquire my own way to my
Abusian, no more kwasia pam bressing ye wotie no. NDC for no mobile Captain Smart pass on be 20 TV so no one can tronya propaganda on cansem who won't dear terminal. Omon bro. Omon bressing Ghana for na they think say Captain Smart no niminyansa bi. Na o kan no kura nunti womutie no. Omon bre Ghana for na omutie Captain Smart no. Omo no omo bread. Now you see, about to rent I see one crime man 4 days ago. Nipa over 37 actually woman. Tiense mhunu ne nkwasiasema Captain Smart Cotton TV so e kan. Hwe no uwi abra ne nka nya ansem nkyere no.
De to yen enene nansa ne de nyina no. Eye nipa bone sama MPP fo di o man yi. Hwe nipa do MPP fo ma o mo.
Zo na da no. Simu de bia ye kan ho asem. Oman we just yenim oman ni issue ayewo. Kwa ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwaku fo Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we ya. Any 2024 elections eko no ma Dr. Bawumia e den na chere Ghana fa se me ba we ni we na me ya mamu na. Busia na ke ye nsem pata de yensa kan. Serious. So in fact oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi presidency. Oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi leaders are KBA the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the number of hospitals in the because of time. But those ones go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look at say we have some of the hospitals in fact, equipping hospitals not all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, many look at say hospitals and they go and no me say. It is a Kenyan who saying and no man in Abeya. It is a kind of they was I would to me say, oh, I mean, say almost same people for comfort. Name my comfort my sacrificing discard to what the hospitals most of my comfort. I comfort my facilitator me on fund free seniors who so my comfort. You see, any Ghana for debut. Now, find a tables net and after the Mokikam Kaka. Why are they shouting? Obian Kanum to Nankono. I saw for no common into with the greatest of respect, among common to Queen in a home. Chief Imam for the common to Queen in a home. Politicians need common to Queen in a home. Market women on common to Queen in a home. Obian Kanum to Queen in a home. 2020 Jua, then you know the way forward. Yet you come over so no bow, or no the credit scoring system, but I must open quantity. Nancy Bibi Nina Casa de Sebi, ye be a getting invest getting. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. And here same cranny. Obi my credit scoring system also open getting. Obi introducing electric or electronic bus systems, most people getting. Is there anyone? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then you tell me papa, and I feel I'm watching them. Men are warning was such a message. Men are me catch you by the many mammas or members come to one. Yewa. Digitalization, you start to say, yeah, most daddy. Digitalization and talking to move a kinky sika. It's a mamma papa number, mamma kinky, and mamma added a mokum. You will come here. And you are John the money, mamma could not and can form Gafon catch up say, oh, Gafon, oh, I'm only kinky and we have utilization here. And I got for so can you but Banama boom, 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 boom. Much about my kinky government. It's me.
Says a dear Koya cried him and now to me who let a be a Y0uth for Troy about Council of State member voter region. Now, Miss Films, eh? Ramona Chapa, ya happiness say, where I can say Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okay, letter now was say Council of State member no, ye former staff a man number one, which is never true. Onye Juma or da. And Onye Juma or da. I'm a number one for the first time. Number one I post. Oh yes. Now, why you post?
Yeah, no catch you. We say, oh, the panel boy.